What is a sales funnel and how can it work for your business or for affiliate marketing? Well, we're gonna talk about it on this video, guys. Let's hit that intro first. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos and this is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, the mindset, and making money online. And we are gonna talk about sales funnels on this video. Now, before we get there, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's a button that says over there subscribe. It takes you a second, boom, you're already subscribed. Thank you. Leave me comments in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, give me the thumbs up, give me the thumbs down if you find that this video is not useful for you. Now, the sales funnel, it's a huge concept, and in the past 3 years has really gained a lot of traction. You've seen a lot of people creating sales funnels, teaching you sales funnels, but the funnel concept and how you can get your clients, funnel them into products and services that you're offering. How can this work for you if you cannot understand the basic concepts of a sales funnel? Where do you learn all this? Well, one of the first places is the .com secrets books and the expert secrets. They really go into detail on how the funnels work, how you can create funnels. And if you haven't bought any of these two books, guys, you're doing it wrong. You really need to start with these books if you want to get into the ClickFunnels world. But not only that, to understand funnels. And they might not be for you. You might not need them on your business. And one of the things is a simple sales funnel is going to be the way Russell worked it pretty much is being a free shipping. That was one of his first funnels and ClickFunnels. It was the book, which is free, and you can get it for $7.99, which is retail price is $14 to $15 if you go on Amazon or other outlets. But if you buy it through his link, he'll give it to you for $7.99. It's only shipping. So then he moves you through the funnel, right? And the basic funnel could be an opt-in page. And we talked about this on other videos, and I also created a video that says how to create a bridge page. It go more into what affiliate marketing can use it for, but we're gonna talk about it on this video. Also, we're gonna touch on it quick. Free shipping, then if you have probably not a free shipping object because you don't have an item that you want to actually deliver to someone that is physically like a book, but maybe you have a piece of a PDF or an ebook that you created and you want to deliver it to someone for free, then you can use the opt-in page and then you can make it free. And you just tell them, I need your email so I can deliver this to you so you guys can download it. And a two-page funnel will work where you get them to email, that you can get people to give you their email, and in the thank you page you got the PDF link. People can download that from you directly. But a sales funnel will be something like you got an item that you want to give them here for free, or maybe it's a course that you have for $20, but in the upsell you have your course, but you also add a second module that is not part of the first module, and that's your first upsell. So instead of having this at $25, you tell them for $100 you can get my next two modules, which full price will be $500. This is your first upsell. You know, people might decide, well, no, I don't want this and I don't want that, or I want this but I don't want that, and then you have a downsell. Or you have another part of another course that you have that will complement this first piece of the funnel or the product that you're trying to sell, and you tell them, well, listen, for this price you will get this is 25, this is 15, and this complement this. And then on the thank you page, you actually give them the full offer. You say, listen, if you want to buy everything plus some bonuses, then you go to my thank you page and you get this for X amount of price. There's a different ways the sales funnel really work. You can make it an upsell, a downsell, and a thank you page. You can make one upsell, and then you can give them a choice that they can actually purchase the products, and then you can give them paid options where they don't have to pay everything at one price, but then you give them a chance to pay you a third of it first, and then you charge them again, and then you charge them again. The way the book funnel works is he has the free shipping, right? And then he ships you the book, you get the book, and then he has a bump in the second page, and then it has a second bump. So you're getting more value on this page when you purchase the book. You might be able to get both of them with some bonuses. Then he has another bump, and then he has a one-time offer, and the next one it's something of value that is gonna complement these two books for X amount of price. Okay, maybe you decide you don't want to buy that. Well, maybe you'll go and he has a second one-time offer where if you purchase now, you're gonna get it for X amount of price, and then that offer is only gonna be there for a while. And then when you go to the thank you page, he has a full offer on all this. So then you'll be able to actually purchase, and there might be a way where you got a paid options choice where you don't have to pay full price for the product. So the books were some of the first funnels he created. So he had a bump and a bump on the one page and the second page, and then he has a one-time offer and a one-time offer and the full offer all the way at the end. But you can make this a 2-page funnel, or you can make a 3-page funnel. Maybe you can finish it like right on this spot right here. You can connect these two, but then you have a downsell on this page, or you can actually have the full offer on this page right here. So it's all the way that you want to structure, but that's the idea of the sales funnel. Now, the whole point of the funnel is once you move people from here, once they give you the email, there's only 2 options in the funnel. A difference with the website is you enter your email and you are directly prompted to this page. So you only have 2 options. Either you X out of this page, or you decide not to purchase, because there's always going to be a button right here that says no thanks. So you have the option where you want to either X out, or they're going to send you to the downsell. That's how the funnel works. You are not losing the customer. You're trying to offer them the best things that you have, and you keep them in the same funnel, right? And then they get to this page and they say no thanks, right? They don't want either of the upsell or downsell. Well, what's gonna happen when they click on the button within this page? You are gonna send them to the thank you page. In the website, if you let's see, I'm gonna make it right here. You got a website blog post, and then you got all your information here, and then you got a banner, and then you got a banner, and then you got a banner, and in the bottom of the page you have your affiliate link. People will come, read, they might not make it all the way to the bottom, and they'll just walk away. They will literally go and X out, and there's no way that you're gonna have that customer stay within your blog post. Now, one of the ways you actually can keep someone in your website is you create backlinks. And here and in here, and then this backlink is gonna send them to another, oops, that was bad. You're gonna send them to your next blog post. And you create a backlink over there, and then you're gonna send them to a blog post. So it's kind of like a funnel within a funnel in your website, but this is more direct, because once they click over here and they give you the email, they are prompted to this page. There's no way they get out of there unless they're X out. And then they don't want to buy, and then you say no thanks, no thanks. When they click on that specific button, they're sending to this, and then they might purchase and then still getting sent to the thank you page. So you see how you're moving your customer to this process. You make them fast and not let them think twice whether they want to buy it or not, whether they have to make a decision. No, I don't want to buy it. Then next one. No, I don't want to buy it. Next one. Or maybe, oh yeah, I want to get that. So that's how a sales funnel works. And it all depends on the products. Another one that they actually created, and Steve Larson talks about this a lot, was something about flashlights. Someone wanted to sell their flashlights, so they have one flashlight at $25. Right? And then you go to the main page, you get to purchase $25 flashlight. But once they click on the purchase button, they will send, and in this, I believe it was on this page, they will get a choice of saying, hey, why don't you buy this and make it gifts for everyone, since they're only $25 a piece. It will make a great gift for someone. Then they will go and give them a countdown, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you choose which one you wanted, and then people will go into the sales funnel. They'll buy one, and they end up buying maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 2. So you bump the cart basically by 3 or 4 items, and then they will say, well, I really only want to purchase 2. And then in this page, I believe that they were talking that they had something, the pouch. I believe that was the pouch to carry the flashlights, and that was basically the downsell because it was half a price, I believe. Or if you buy X amount of them, you will get those for free on the downsell page, and then the thank you page will be like where you enter all your information, and that's how they were selling the products. So basically that's what a sales funnel looks like. That's how Russell makes his sales funnel, and he has a bunch of them inside the ClickFunnels, whether it's the One Funnel Away Challenge, the Marketing Secrets book. I've only gone through like the first 3-4 pages, and I'm taking my time trying to read them. But ClickFunnels really teach you the funnels, and they really put you right through the funnel. So they're really telling you, this is what we're teaching you, but this is how we do it. Now, I mentioned before, how can this work for affiliate marketing? And the best way and the simplest way is to create one page. You have one single page, and that goes to your affiliate offer. Now, what you're gonna do with this page right here, you can actually talk about, and the way it works better is you create a video, and then in the video you explain if you have bonuses or offers. And you see some of mine, click on the link at the bottom that says the 3 top courses that I have for affiliate marketing, and basically you're gonna see what a bridge page really looks like. I talk in my video about what I have to offer if you purchase through my link, and then in the page I show you the 3 courses and what they have. So that's basically what it is. And once you go all the way to the bottom and you give me your email address, then you go to an email sequence, and in every email sequence you go back to the offer. That's how you can use a one-page funnel for affiliate marketing. So as you can see, guys, basically what you know is you have a funnel, and you bring people from any free traffic source or paid traffic source. You get them into your funnel, and then you got offers, bump, and then right in the bottom you expect to make a sale. But you need to also think about this, that the funnel has to go to an email sequence So the email sequence remind people that you have offers for them and you have an upseller and a downsell. So I hope that you guys understand this. It wasn't too complicated to you. It's really not that difficult to understand what a sales funnel, and a lot of people still get a little confused. How am I gonna attach the pages to the next one? How many pages can I put in my sales funnel? You can put as many as you want. It's all depending on what you're trying to sell. What is the product that you're offering, and what other products you have that are part of that whole package. So at the end of it, people are not opting in for a $7 item or $25 item, but at the end, if they purchase right through the whole thing, they might end up spending $1,000 or $100 or $500. It all depends on the prices that you put on your items. So with that being said, I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. If you need to know any more about it, leave me comments in the comment section. But before you do that, subscribe to my channel. Hit that button that says subscribe. It's only take 2 seconds, guys. Oh, you already subscribed. Thank you. And leave me comments in the comment section for any questions like I said before. Also, give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs down. And I will see you guys in the next video.